So I tested Tick Cash because this app promises something. So here's what I found and my honest opinion. So let's go into it. Tick Cash positions itself as an entertainment plus rewards short video platform. The Play Store listing the market's video browsing plus the opportunities to earn rewards. With that pitch, it explains why it gets a lot of installs quickly. But there are some red flags about it. The independent write-ups and some reviewers, they call it out as bait and switch mechanics, such as for very low payouts, slow or opaque withdrawal thresholds, and heavy ad watching requirements to unlock that so-called rewards. And several blogs that may dig deeper flag that like data collection concerns and the classic time for minimal pay economics. On the other hand, some users say positive opinions about its withdrawal screenshots, and they say that small and consistent payouts are possible if you grind the app. And the reality is that it's inconsistent, and it depends heavily on the region, the offers available, and the current ad inventory in the app. So you should expect a low earnings or slow earnings and a lot of required watch time. So let's go to the pros of this app. The pros is that it's entertaining and it has short video feed, occasional small rewards for very patient users, and the cons is that it has low payouts, possible heavy ad exposure, and unclear privacy or data policies. And it has also inconsistent payout reliability. So for final verdict, Take Cash is not a scam in the steal your money sense for everyone, but it's not a realistic side income either. Treat your earnings as a pin money and be cautious about sharing your financial info, and don't rely it to pay your bills. And that's it. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.